Thick and soft sour cream and sugar cookies topped with a deliciously light buttercream frosting and rainbow sprinkles. These Lofthouse cookies are easy to make, super fun and delicious. They're the perfect kids or adults weekend baking project. Let's begin by adding some flour, cornstarch, baking powder and salt to a large mixing bowl, and you're going to use a whisk to combine it. Set that aside, and then to a separate bowl you're going to add some butter, cream cheese and sugar, and use an electric mixer to beat it until it's well combined and pale, about 3 minutes. Add the egg, vanilla extract and almond extract and mix until well combined. Add half of the dry ingredient to the butter mixture and use a spatula to mix until a dough forms. Then add the remaining dry ingredients and repeat. Transfer the dough to a large piece of plastic wrap it up and chill it in the fridge for 1 hour. While it rests in the fridge, it's going to allow the flour to soak up all the moisture in the dough, and it's going to be much easier to roll out. Unwrap the dough and dust your workbench with a little bit of flour. Use a rolling pin to roll out about 1.2 centimeters or half an inch thick. Use a 7.5 centimeter or 3 inch round cookie cutter to cut out as many cookies as you can. Then scrunch up the remaining dough and cut out as many more cookies as you can, about 16 cookies. Place those on the baking trays and bake in the oven for 12 minutes, then let them cool down completely. Let's move on to the frosting. To a large mixing bowl you're going to add some butter and use an electric mixer to beat until pale and fluffy, about 3 minutes. Add the powdered sugar, salt and cream and mix to combine. Next, add the vanilla extract, pink food gel and mix until evenly coloured. Finishing off these cookies is really easy. You're going to use a spatula or a spoon to spread the frosting on the baked cookies, then finish them off with a sprinkle of rainbow sprinkles. These cookies are cakey, soft and light, and they're so delicious. I would recommend you guys try this recipe. I've left the link for it in the description box below. You can click on that and it'll take you over to my website, thescranline.com, which is where all of my recipes live. I hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me in my kitchen today. There's more recipes up on screen if you want to click on those. I'll see you all on the next episode of The Scran Line.